I am back to record the next unit test for GreetUser program. I'm going to run it first to remind myself what it does. Ask for your name, Hagar, and it says good morning, and hey, good morning Hagar here, or whatever else name you provide. There's another tab here. I'm not running that anymore, so I'm closing it. In order to remind myself of the structure of unit test, I'm going to open on the right side another file, this one, split right, just to give myself an example. How do I make this window smaller? Anyways, okay, so I want to put this GreetUser on the right side. Okay, what do I need here? I want assertions not to be static. As I said, I don't know what static does in this case, so I'll just leave assertions. I will start. So I have a main function that controls the flow. It calls two functions, get name, where I open the scanner, I get the name, and then I close it. And then this one just prints out, doesn't return anything. So let me see this. I need test annotation. Also that imports automatically. Void, get name. So get name at test. And then I need a byte array input stream. I'll have a simulated input here too. Simulated input, I'm going to use my cat's name. I forgot to add a new line, and then convert that into byte array input stream. Here, simulated input will have get byte, because it needs to be get byte or get bytes. Get bytes. This is how the command line reads it, not as a string. So, and then I redirect that into system.setIn. I'll put in, I'm gonna call this input as well, so it's more clear. Okay, so now we've put that in. I don't need to close a scanner. What am I asserting here? Get name test. It's not really, this function is not really doing, except it's just returning it. It is returning, I don't know. Let me come back to that. Do I call the actual function here? Get name. Well, what is your name? I have to have a byte array output stream. So, let's see. Does this one have something similar to that? Yeah, I need something like this. So, byte array output stream. Call it. This is like a prompt, command prompt write output stream. Takes nothing, but when we do system set out, we need a new print stream. And here we'll provide command prompt. String output equals command prompt to string. What am I testing here? What is your name? I mean, this is the first part. It asks what is your name. I say Hagar, and it doesn't do anything. So can I do assertions? Assert true and output contains. This is not really a test. No. Let me run this test now. Assert true. That is not what I'm testing. True, false. Output is what comes after I provide the name. So am I testing what the user provides? No. There's no output. Output is empty. In fact, there's nothing there. That doesn't make any sense. What am I testing in the get name? I'm going to comment this out for now because I'm getting confused. I will write test for GreetUser. GreetUser test. It takes a string. Well, string name. So this will be Hagar. Now I can actually call the string output GreetUser dot GreetUser with name. What? Yeah, what are you not liking? Cannot run local variable name. It's right here. What am I doing? Because I'm passing it. I have to pass it like this? I don't think so. String output. Oh, because it's not. If this original function is void, so it's not returning a string, what do I put there? I don't assign it to anything. But it still outputs something because this is doing a system out. So here I'm going to need that byte array output stream. Like that. This is not a command prompt, this is greeting. This is what is the last output of good morning. String, and here I do an assertion dot assert equals or asserts true. Output that contains good morning Hagar, and then exclamation. What? Expected true, actual is false. Assert true. Is this not the right way? Assertions assert true, output contains. Assertion failed, error. Expected true, but I got false. String name is Hagar, and I pass in. That's what it expects. And then output greeting. Greeting to string. Could I do a system out of output right here? Yeah, this is what I should see. Let me put that here. I don't want to print anything right now. Expected true, but I got false. Does it want assert equals? In that case, it'll be greeting. I don't think it's liking that either. Greet user. This should not be a raw string. This should be output. Still failing. Expected binary output stream, but was string. Oh, what am I doing? No, it shouldn't be output. I don't need to use greeting because greeting is not a string. Output is a string. So this should say good morning, Hagar. And it's still not passing. GreetUser test. Name, greeting. Output. Wait, output is empty. How is empty? GreetUser takes in a name. Right, output stream. Print stream. Set out. And then that greeting is turned to string. What am I doing wrong? Output is empty. Greeting is a binary output stream, so let's see another test. Like, okay, right here. New binary output stream, then convert into print stream, and then I should probably call this should be called after. This is how I'm doing. Yeah, I have to redirect the output from the command line to system.setOut, and then I call it. Wait, does that actually work? And then to debug. How is it still failing? Oh, how is it different? Assert equal. I'm gonna do assert true. Output dot contains that passed on the whole class. Okay, that's great. So I don't really need to test get name because I don't know what I'm testing. This one only asks what is your name, and then I provide a name. I guess I could test that the command line prompt is there. So that will look like let's see. Should be these two should be together. Here, if I were to call GreetUser dot get name, then I can do an assertion. Assert to output contains what is your name? That's not. How is that useful? It's not even passing. Get name output to string. Let's print output. True, false. So what am I even testing here? It asks what is your name, then I provide a name, then the scanner closes and just returns the name. Output to string. Should I be calling it before? I don't think that matters. That matters? So I call before command prompt is converted to string and then it passes. See, I don't understand that either. Why does the order matter? If I call this after I convert command prompt to string, it fails. But if I call it before, then it passes. I'll run the whole class, test class. Okay, now it all passes. That I still don't quite understand. Here, if the output, what is your name, is being printed correctly, because it is. That's not the point. I should be testing the input from the user. Like I have the simulated input. I'm not doing anything with it. I don't care about the command prompt or whatever command line is printing, because after I provide the name, I'm not printing anything. So I want to get rid of this sort of the simulated command line output. Instead, I'm going to save the result of GreetUser, because GreetUser or GreetUser get name actually returns something. So I can save it, and now I can do name Hagar. Now that passes. This is what I should be testing, because the what is your name is my program does that every time. Like, I don't need to test that. What I need to be testing is what user provides. And I can, I guess, do assert equal here, because it is just basically hopefully one string. So here I can do name is the actual and expected is Hagar. Does that work? That doesn't pass. Cannot. Assertions, assert equal. Is there now assert equal? Wait, what is, am I typing it? Assert equals. Oh. Okay. I just forgot. Now it passed. Here, clean this up a bit. Okay. Now I consider it done.